Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to say top 10 use and benefits of vitamin E capsule or oil. So let's start the video. Vitamin is a nutrition full of miraculous wonders that can rejuvenate our health and beauty. Taking vitamin E capsule is considered good for health and benefits, but very few are aware that this nutrition is amazing for skin and hair health when it is directly applied on the affected areas. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that is predominantly found in green leafy vegetables, nuts, seeds, seafood and fruits. The hair and skin benefits of this vitamin E also are well known. You can find an endless number of beauty products that have vitamin E as a main ingredient. Topical application of vitamin E can be in the form of an oil extract used on your skin and in your hair for growth and nourishment. So let's check out top 7 use of vitamin E capsule. First use of vitamin E oil is treats skin hyperpigmentation. You can also use vitamin E to treat hyperpigmentation of the skin that causes uneven color and dark patches on almost any part of the body. Being an antioxidant, vitamin E can reverse the damage done by the harsh ultraviolet UV rays of the sun. Take 1 vitamin E capsule, 1/4 tablespoon of castor oil. Mix both ingredients together and apply the mixture on the affected skin before going to bed. Leave it on overnight and rinse it off the next morning. Use this remedy daily for a month, or simply use vitamin E oil to massage the affected skin for 10 to 15 minutes twice daily for a few weeks to reduce hyperpigmentation. Vitamin E is a great moisturizer for dry and rough hands. It helps keep your skin soft, supple and moisturized. Take any body lotion, vitamin E capsule, mix a little vitamin E oil with your body lotion and apply it on your hands. Massage for a few minutes to keep them moisturized for a longer period. Don't forget to pat it gently under your eye area and massage on your lips too. Wash it off with water in the next morning. It will also even out any brown mark mixture daily. Vitamin E treats chapped lips. To treat chapped and dry lips, vitamin E is very effective. Vitamin E oil works as a lip moisturizer and makes them smooth, soft and supple. It even helps treat dark lips and adds a natural glow to them. Pierce a vitamin E capsule and extract the liquid. Apply it regularly on your chapped lips to keep them moisturized and prevent dryness. You can also take vitamin E capsule and mix little bit of honey. Now mix both ingredients and apply it on your lips to fight dryness. Now next use of vitamin E is strengthen your nails. To have strong and long nails, try vitamin E. Its moisturizing property helps keep your nails hydrated and healthy. In addition, it is an effective solution for cracking and splitting nails as well as dry cuticles. Take warm water, vitamin E capsule. Add the vitamin E capsule to a small bowl filled with warm water. Soak your fingers in it for 10 minutes. Use this remedy 3 or 4 times a week. You can even apply vitamin E oil directly on the nails and massage gently for 5 minutes daily before going to bed. Smooth split ends. If your hair has split ends due to excessive use of hair colors, blow drying, curling and straightening, then try vitamin E. It can reverse the damage to your hair. It works as an excellent deep conditioner to give you lustrous locks, nourish your hair and treat split ends. Take vitamin E capsule, coconut oil. Now mix equal amount of vitamin E and coconut oil. Apply it on the split ends. Allow it to sit for a couple of hours before washing your hair with a mild shampoo. Use this remedy 3 times a week to notice a difference in your hair texture. Prevents aging and lighten dark spots. Vitamin E is known to act as a natural agent to prevent new lines from appearing on the face. Vitamin E capsule work very well in clearing wrinkles and dark spots over due course of time. Vitamin E also has the capability to slow down aging. Take 1 capsule of vitamin E. Now mix with aloe vera Gel. Apply this mixture on your face and dark spots and wrinkles. Regular application will also prevent new wrinkles, lines appearing on your skin thanks to the antioxidant found in the vitamin E capsule. For stretch marks, scars and heal sunburn, vitamin E also helps in healing scars, stretch marks and sunburn. All you have to do is to just buy a vitamin E capsule, cut it open, apply on the affected area. Apply this twice a day until the marks start fading off. Gently apply the liquid from the capsule on the scars and massage it softly for a few minutes. In that way, vitamin E will go deep into the skin layers and start working on the skin tissue of the affected areas. Make sure you apply it daily for better and faster results. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. If you have any suggestion or query, write below in the comment box. Thank you for